I ain't gonna really show you this in full detail, but y'all see it, man. Acura MDX. Changing the alternator on this one.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
And you go on YouTube and you can see the tutorial on how to do it. You know,
Easy.
yeah, good job.
You see?
So, I mean, I kind of went on YouTube and figured out myself what they wanted to take out. So I did. Here's all the tools that I got to get this job done. And I wanted to let him know after he turned the car on and the shit heats up, it's going to start smoking because it's a power steering fluid. But it's not a big deal. No, it's not a big deal.
Okay, you got
Yeah, we'll clean it. But it's still going to burn a little bit.
Yeah, but I'll clean it out.
Yeah. I'm just showing YouTube real quick. So definitely a bunch of tools. Not the easiest job, but definitely plausible and possible. So right now we take this last screw and it comes out to the left, pull it up, put the other one in. About an hour of work or so, guys. So yeah, so it's kind of windy today, man. 39 degrees in New York. In April it's fucking freezing technically. But we here, man, you know. Just helping him out. He's doing all the work though. Got the small hands. My hands can't really fit in those spots, so I'm helping him with power and knowledge, you know?
Maybe you have to take this out.
The cover?
This.
No, it pulls this way. It comes this way. I already saw the video.
See what happened? Already loose.
Yeah, that's it right there. Look, it's coming up. You gotta shake it. It has the little stopper. Yeah, we done though. Look, it's out. So, you know, thanks for watching, y'all, man. Just a little quick update. Too Small Auto. Subscribe, watch. Appreciate y'all, man. I'm here to help. So, you know, whatever you need, talk to me. I just show the new parts. So, you know, brand new alternator. Remanufactured. Look, Duralast AutoZone. It's the old one. Yeah, there's money back for that. It's a quick video. You know, I would do my videos. Grandma outside with us now. But definitely a two-man job. You could do it by yourself, honestly, but it's easier with two men. One that holds the alternator, the other one pushes the wires. You don't break nothing. It's pretty fast right now. 30 minutes in or so. So yeah, not easy, but we made it happen. So, you know, do your thing.